Okay, right, we're going to get this evening going, and we have a tradition, a lovely old tradition here at Monday Club, and the tradition is this: if somebody's playing for the very first time, we give them an extra special warm round of applause, because if you write your own songs, you're putting yourself out there, we like to roar people on, and we're going to put another little bit of applause on top of that, and a lovely Mersey welcome, because he's come all the way from Southampton. Long fucking way, I can tell you. Give it up for Rob Clamp, come on! How are we doing, alright?
Up in the castle, we're under siege. Didn't mean to catch your breath. Oh, how mighty, watching out to sea. Guiding around with sailors in distress. You're killing common on your barren past. If anyone would ask you in town, there's a preacher in the courtyard coming up on guys. You'll throw the planes into your shout. But as the sun goes down, there's no one else around. Adelaide, oh, to the angel come out for help, looking for the boy that cried wolf. One man's castle is another man's cell, while your idea of heaven seeking north next door. But as the sun goes down, there's no one else around. Adelaide, oh, what a price to pay. The one that got away. Adelaide, Adelaide.
My name's Rob. I'm not Rob Beckett. For those of you who know the comedian, I resemble that guy with the big teeth off the TV. I can't avoid it wherever I go. And I've been touring quite a lot. I had a bit of a fun experience. I did my first ever European tour, and my van broke down in Germany. So I've gone from like being absolutely fine to crumbling at the seams. But I had a friend who told me, if you're ever in Liverpool, come to this thing. And that's why I'm here, because it's got a great reputation. So thank you so much for having me. This This next song is it's the title track from my debut album. It's called Lost Soul. And yeah, feel free to look me up. It's at Rob Clamp Music. Clamp like a wheel clamp. That's just, that surname's taken marriage straight off the table with my missus. So yeah, please do go look me up on the socials. I'm having a lot of fun sleeping on sofas and whatnot, but that's part of the game, right? So yeah, thanks. Anyway, I'll shut up and play the song. It's called Lost Soul.
In a rush, diamonds in the rough, when we start stuck in our shoes. You could have seen it wasn't meant to be, but I was sleeping with you, like where we were lost. But we had time. Oh, what a rush. Oh, what a life. Yeah, what a life. Don't tell me who I am or where I need to go. It's the lost soul, searching for a home, yeah. Summer days addicted to the chase, when you had nothing left to lose. I couldn't wait, tempted by sleep, take me back and turn me loose, where we were lost. But we had time. What a love. Don't tell me who I am or where I need to go. I'm just a lost soul, searching for a home. Like the real lost. We had time. Oh, what a love. What a life. Yeah, what a life.
Thanks very much.
What about that for a start? Then give it up for Rob Clamp. Come on! We're at the Monday Club.